Hello everyone, my name is Victor Chukuma. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through 5 easy quick steps on how to set up a Google Sheet budgeting template in real time. You can pause, fast forward, and rewind as you like. Also in the description below, I also included a timestamp so you can get to the point faster. With no time to waste, let's dive into it. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we're logged in. And over here, you can say I'm logged in. Then we're going to come over here where it says Google Apps. And let's go ahead and click on that. Scroll the way down. Click on Sheets. And over here, we can see our monthly budget template already made for us. Thanks to Google. For some reason, you don't see the monthly budget on here. Click on Template Gallery. You will definitely see it either on Personal or up here. Let's go ahead and click on Monthly Budget. Let's get familiarized with our monthly budget template. Over here, you can rename your template. Here, you put your starting balance, list your expenses and your income. You can add 1,000 row if need be, if you need more space. Here is where you input your expense and income transactions. And as well, you can add 1,000 rows or more. Let's go ahead and edit our template. Now, for me, I like naming my template copy of monthly budget. And in no time, you will see the reason why. I leave my balance at 1,000. And over here, before I list my expenses, I want to round up all my fixed expenses so it will be easier. I won't have to take up more space. So I come over here, I say add sheet. Let's rename this sheet to fixed expenses. Now I'm going to list my fixed expenses and the dollar amount. So after I finish naming my fixed expenses, I'm going to go ahead and change this to dollars, my currency. Um, whatever currency you are, you can change this to your currency as well. So let all, just hit the dollar sign. And I want to get the total of this number. So I'm going to come over here where it says function, click on it, and select sum, and press enter. Then I'll grab this number, and I'll go to my summary. And my first item here is going to be my fixed expenses. So after inputting all my expenses, I don't have any more expenses. So if you want to add more expenses, you can hit the add one more 1,000 rows. For me, I'm going to go ahead and hide, um, clean this up a little bit. And I'm just going to say hide row. And you can see it looks clean now. Let's say you want to input more expenses, just add more rows. Over here, I will click do not show this for 5 minutes. This don't mean anything. I'll press OK. And remember, guys, if you don't feel comfortable with anything, you can always hit the back button to undo what you've done. I hit on the cell. I select this cell, hold down my shift key, select this button, and just drag it down. And now you can rename this to whatever you want. I don't have anything here, so I'm going to hit the undo button. And once again, and I'm back to where I started. So now I can show you how you can track your expenses after you finish inputting your expenses and income. You go over here to transaction. Let me go ahead and delete or hide this row. And let's say today, which today on my end is 09 second 2022. I went to Walmart to get groceries. I want to go get groceries for $50. Food. And I come down here and I find groceries and I fill it out. When I come over to my summary, you will see under groceries that it says unplanned. This is my planned 200, actual, which I've spent. The difference is 150. And on here, you can actually see that as well. Now I want to take this copy of monthly budget and make October copy. Before I do that, to my transaction, I will take this out. So it will bring my actuals to 0. Then let's make a copy. I click File. I select Make a Copy. Now over here, I'm going to name this 2022 October monthly budget. And I'll say Make a Copy. Now over here is my 2022 October monthly budget. And over here is the copy. Now you see in this copy is clean. So I can use this every month. I can make a copy of it every month. Now if I had only this and I input my transaction, that means I'll have to make a copy of this, then delete my transaction. Thank you for watching this video today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have specific tutorial you want covered, and I will add it to my video list to create. Awesome, guys. That's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Goodbye.